Welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into the newest and most exciting cars hitting the roads. Today, I'm thrilled to bring you an in-depth look at the 2026 Mercedes-Benz E-Class, a model that has long stood as the benchmark for luxury sedans. And in this latest generation, it steps up its game even further. This isn't just a mild refresh. Mercedes has reimagined the E-Class to combine tradition, innovation, and cutting-edge technology. From its sleek exterior lines to the sophisticated interior and the power hidden under its hood, the 2026 E-Class is designed to impress both loyal fans and new buyers looking for a taste of executive-level luxury. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 E-Class features a bold, modern front fascia that's instantly recognizable, yet distinctly updated. The front grille is larger and more sculpted, with a new 3D star pattern that gives the car a futuristic edge, while the adaptive digital LED headlights flow seamlessly into the fenders for a sleek look at night or during the day. The hood is longer and more sculpted, creating a confident stance, and subtle chrome accents highlight the car's premium character. Moving along the side profile, you'll notice how Mercedes has stretched and smoothed the bodywork, giving the sedan an almost coupe-like silhouette. The door handles now sit flush with the body, improving aerodynamics and adding a minimalist touch. Large alloy wheels, ranging from 19 to 21 inches depending on trim, fill the arches and emphasize the car's dynamic yet elegant posture. Around the back, the new E-Class sports slimmer LED taillights connected by a thin illuminated strip, a design cue borrowed from the flagship S-Class, along with a more integrated rear diffuser and twin exhaust outlets that give a sporty hint to the refined sedan. The whole exterior package blends tradition with progress, making the 2026 E-Class both familiar and excitingly new. Inside, the transformation continues with one of the most technologically advanced cabins in its class. Open the door and you're greeted by soft ambient lighting that wraps around the dashboard and door panels. Mercedes has introduced its next-gen M-Box superscreen setup here, combining a massive central display, a digital driver's cluster, and an optional passenger screen under one sweeping glass surface, making the interior look like a futuristic cockpit. The materials are top-notch, with leather upholstery, real wood or aluminum trims, and touch-sensitive controls that feel precise and premium. The seats have been redesigned to offer even better ergonomics and support for long drives, with heating, cooling, and massage functions standard on higher trims. Rear passengers also benefit from increased legroom and upgraded entertainment options, making this E-Class a true executive shuttle. Acoustic glass, improved insulation, and active noise cancellation technology create a whisper-quiet cabin, even at highway speeds. Under the hood, Mercedes offers a range of powertrains for the 2026 E-Class to suit different needs. The base models now feature a mild hybrid inline-4 engine with a 48-volt system, delivering smooth power and improved fuel efficiency. For those who crave more performance, there's an upgraded inline-6 turbocharged option with plug-in hybrid assistance that delivers impressive acceleration and electric-only driving for short commutes. Mercedes' 4MATIC all-wheel drive system is available across most trims, ensuring excellent grip and stability in all conditions. The transmission is a refined 9-speed automatic that shifts almost imperceptibly. Steering and suspension have also been reworked to deliver a balance between comfort and agility, and optional air suspension adapts to road conditions, making city drives and long highway stretches equally enjoyable. Efficiency numbers are improved over the outgoing model, with the plug-in hybrid versions offering significant electric range to reduce fuel stops. When it comes to pricing, Mercedes has positioned the 2026 E-Class competitively for the segment. The entry-level model starts at around the mid-$60,000 mark, offering a wealth of standard features such as digital LED headlights, a panoramic sunroof, the latest MBUX system, and advanced driver assistance features. Higher trims and plug-in hybrid variants can push prices into the $80,000 range, while fully loaded models with AMG styling packages, premium audio, and extended tech suites cross into the low $90,000. Given the level of craftsmanship, technology, and performance on offer, the E-Class maintains its reputation as one of the most value-packed luxury sedans in its category. If you're considering the 2026 Mercedes-Benz E-Class, here are a few suggestions to help you decide. If you prioritize comfort and efficiency, the mild hybrid base engine already delivers a great experience and a lower price point. If you enjoy spirited driving or want to future-proof your car with hybrid capability, the plug-in hybrid variant is the sweet spot, blending performance with eco-friendliness. It's also worth exploring the optional air suspension and upgraded sound system for the full luxury experience. And if you're someone who spends a lot of time in traffic, Mercedes' advanced driver assistance and semi-autonomous features make everyday driving far less stressful. Wrapping things up, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz E-Class stands out as a perfect blend of tradition and modernity, luxury and practicality. It offers a bold exterior design that commands attention, an interior that feels like a rolling tech lounge, and a choice of powertrains that cater to different driving styles. Mercedes has clearly listened to its customers and refined everything from the ride quality to the infotainment experience to ensure the E-Class remains a leader in the mid-size luxury sedan segment. If you've been waiting for a car that can do it all, commute in comfort, impress clients, and deliver a touch of excitement on the weekend, the new E-Class may just be the perfect choice. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Mercedes-Benz E-Class, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our next detailed car review.